Wait, me too, man. My privilege to see you today. How's the
Thank you
life?
so. Life
Seriously,
is
man.
too good. Life
Good.
is too good.
Good, good. Still, we are techno savvy, but still, I'm lacking behind the technology.
Okay, okay.
Uh,
And firstly, I want to thank you for accepting my invitation and coming to talk with me.
Great, great. My pleasure. Thank you so much for inviting me as well. So now tell me, dear, how can we help you to you? How to
I
get you?
want, I thought to know about you and I thought to know about your business, what actually you do.
Okay, okay.
I want to tell to the world, the people who follows me, I want you to show to them. Yeah.
Okay, great. See, just into brief introduction about me. My name is Professor Amir Ahmed. Okay, I am based in Mumbai, and I teach all the mass media subjects in college. I teach all the advertisement, journalism, filmmaking, film production, and mass media subjects. This is my one profile. Secondly, I am also a business consultant, corporate consultant, and career consultant where I show all the students community in a small business community how to do the marketing. So I just teach them digital marketing. I'm trying to bring them on digital platform. And a student, I'm trying to bring them professional platform like advertising, journalism, media. That is like my profile. And I've started my career into banking. Almost I've worked into banking sector for almost 10 years. So financial sector is my background. All sales, marketing, that kind. And after that, I've like settled down. I thought, why not to share my knowledge to the upcoming generation? Let them empower. So for the empowerment of the society, particular the student community, I've just jumped into the college level. Since I was always liking the media and the advertisement during my college days, dramas, theater, films, acting. By the way, I'm a big fan of Rajnikant sir. Okay,
Okay.
great. Yes, from my heart, I really like that. And that's the way, like almost 20 years into corporate field. Now I'm into 40s, and now my next mission is to just empowerment as many as student possible through the digital work. So I'm getting trained myself also for that. So very soon you will see me delivering the lectures and conducting kind of social media or digital media related work. I really want to bring people to the digital India. Atma Bharat, Atmanirbhar Bharat, that technology and various things government is initiating. So I want let the people come because now almost 70 to 80% people they are like into mobile. The world is in palm. Now we are into mobile world.
Yeah.
So like just like you find the right platform for yourself. Now you're sitting there and just talking to the world. But there are so many unfortunate people they don't know. They just only know TikTok. They
Yeah,
just
yeah,
know YouTube. They're just into rapping. They're just into singing, Bollywood kind, drama, dance, poetry. But there are other world. They got a business world. Now during this lockdown, it's really very difficult, for survival. If these kids or maybe the older generation, if they learn lots of marketing fundamental things, digital things, India can go to the next level. So that I'm just trying to empower women, women entrepreneurship, empowerment, student empowerment, micro, small, and medium enterprises. It is MSME. Government is really doing very good initiative for them, but unfortunately, people don't know. So I really want to just put my effort for the betterment of India. That's me. You can just talk about yourself. You can ask anything that way.
Okay, my name is Sai Charan.
Okay.
I'm a writer. I'm a blogger. I have three websites. I
Good.
already, I did my masters. I did my MTech in
Good.
software engineering, and
Oh, oh,
yeah, and I have three websites. Like I said, I have two apps, mobile apps,
oh,
and
sounds good.
from there. At least 100 to 200 people are studying from my apps and my websites daily.
Lovely, lovely.
One is about computer science and engineering subjects. I already explained computer science and engineering subjects. In other two websites, I'll write about human psychology,
Oh,
human psychology, communication skills, how to develop mindset, everything, anything which is related to human being. I'll try to,
Here particularly,
yeah.
just like
Yeah. Just we are exchanging thoughts right now.
quite
And if
correct.
I understand something from this conversation, I'll try to explain. I'll try to put this in my blog using beautiful words.
Very good. Very good. Like with the help of the creative writings, you can really put your thoughts or the other people's thoughts for the
Yeah,
world to see exactly, which
yeah,
maybe you find to Google, you find with the people communicate. I really
yeah,
appreciate the way you are basically bringing the things. I've just seen lots of your, previous kind of like clips and really impressive. It's very difficult in this tender age, like you are just reaching the world. So really, you got two side of the one coin. One is your educational background, and the other is really what you're doing basically. So keep
yeah.
doing things
And
which inspire.
and I didn't said you, I'm a professional cricket player. I played for state and national tournaments. I represented for a lot of teams, and I was a captain for my engineering college team, and I was captain for my master's college team, and I was a sportsman too. And I thought, like you said,
Hmm.
the whole world is in mobile today, and
Right.
I thought to share. I thought to put all my mental, physical energies
Hmm.
to be in everybody's mobile.
Acha, that's
Yeah.
really good. So what is the one thing basically now you are planning? One thing, if you want to describe the journey exactly, where you want to go from.
My journey, I can't see the destination. Actually, you are elder than me. Your age is more than 40. I didn't face the more situations like you, more conditions and more mindsets. I didn't interacted with
Hmm.
the people. I lived on this planet only for 28 years. So I am very small if I compare experience as a human being, as a
Okay.
human being. So I don't want you to laugh when I say, because
I'm
I
laughing.
might be,
Else.
yeah,
I'll
I
have a
might
same
be
word in
hurt
that. I'm laughing.
because
Sorry to cut you here. Not because of the age factor. The work you are doing is better than the others, which I see. I'm interacting with almost like in a year I teach more than 1,000 kids in the college. And what you have achieved in this small time, many people don't achieve. Even if you, for example, compare with you and me, example, in social or media of the digital world, this is my just first step. Fine. You
yeah,
are far, far, far ahead. What I, well, I'm a being a professor, I deal with lots of students, their mindset. So there are
uh,
very few students who really know where they are going. Maybe they don't know the path, but they're just exploring and they are
yeah,
going. You are one of that kind, which I see. That's like I really wanted to interact with you and I can inspire, other students. And whenever I see some good soul, they're doing good work, I always connect people. I give their stories, how if that person can sitting in the one place and can inspire the world, why can't you? My main journey is to just motivate people best possible way. Life should be beautiful and worthy, not the lengthy.
okay,
That's one word you can say. Worth is important, guys. What worth you are giving back to the society. So with your work, you are also giving back like we give into the classroom, you are going to the open world. And I'm also trying to replicate you. Soon I'll be starting something, and I hope I'll be doing justice because I'm really planning to bring lots of corporate people into my platform. Because usually what happened, many people they just pass out from college. 5 years they literally waste time. I don't want to take the system down, but this is the way. Our system education in the other overseas education is totally different. Overseas like foreign countries, they are pushing into like whatever they learn, they implement. But here, for example, you are a by profession, you are a engineer, you are a blogger.
yeah,
Kind of by passion, you are a cricketer. Now you are a blogger.
yeah,
You got my point.
yeah,
So,
yeah,
but if you see the foreigners, what they do usually, if somebody want to be like, biotechnology related to biotechnology, any work, that person will be there in biotechnological field. If some
yeah,
person wants to take pharma, he will be in pharma. Some person want to be a like swimmer, he will be swimmer. throughout his life. So that
Yeah,
is
yeah.
mindset we have different. So here, at least with the digital platform, I'm planning to bring all the this what you call. For example, if there is a glass, I'll just give you an example. If there is a glass, if there is a hole, what will happen? You put lots of energy, but it will be drain. I want to
Train,
stop
yeah.
that drain. That I'm
Okay,
planning.
okay.
Through my education, if I can bring all the people who are wasting their time in social media for just entertainment, I want to bring them to the social media for the money making with
Okay,
their
okay.
talent.
Okay.
Okay. So whatever time if they can spend 1 hour, 2 hour, and I can try to just connect the people. I'm the basically connector. That's why I'm
Okay,
starting
okay.
consulting work. I
Okay.
cannot be everything, so I'm just focusing on social media marketing. That's the one thing. And my basic core subjects are the media subjects.
Okay.
Once I start taking, very soon, maybe in day or two, I'll be starting my own ads and everything. You will see me on Facebook and kind of somewhere. I'm just inviting people to just start their career in digital world, whatever the role. I'm just going to, just guide them where you can go, sitting in your hometown wherever you are, with your just small mobile. If you can just give your idea, give your service, give your expertise, and just be a part of corporate world. So I want to connect the corporate is one side and the student community one side. And let them bring together and let we give some fruitful value to the society. So similarly, that is like my idea. I hope I'll try to find some good support system from you and many other people, where I can bring this use what we are losing basically. All the best possible energy of India we are losing now between the age of almost like say 15, 16 years to 26 years. That's the main 10 years of age which we can use to, we can be basically, it can be very helpful for their family, for their future, for India. But we are not using that. So that's I'm trying to just encourage people. So student is the one way. What I see rest of my life, I want to be with this student with any age kind of. Just trying to bring them to the digital platform.
So uh, you have seen people 20 years back and now you are seeing. What is the difference that you observed?
Oh, very good question. Yeah, very hypothetically question. 20 years before were when I saw the people like my age, everybody were ambitious. They had limited resources, but they had a big dream. And many people now they are sitting in their dream, which is lacking in today's. Today's generation is not understanding what they are losing. Corona is just the one factor. Every day we have new corona. Every day we have new struggle. Struggle of survival. And who is going to fit? The survival race always win by the fittest. I'll just give you example. Now every morning there is a one lion and there is a one bear. Both are running.
Okay.
Both are running every day in the
Okay.
morning. Why lion is running? Because he's hungry. He need to eat. So he's running. Why bear is running? He or she need to save herself.
Correct.
Whoever is fit is going to win the race. The world is corporate and the world particularly is a jungle. So you need to have a like survival mindset without
Okay.
proper education. Because we have only book education, theory education, till you don't do the internship. There's a step basically, level 1, 2, 3, 4, which is lacking. But in my time, almost 20 years before, everybody knew that when you are in 13, 14, 15, what you are going to do. Almost like people had some plan. But now only limited people had some plan. That is the one link is missing. So we are wasting our crucial time here. If we can work out something, Indian population particularly, because we have almost 60 to 70% population, almost very youth, between 15 years to 35 years. And now we are the number one user of Facebook. What we are doing in Facebook. Other company they are making softwares. We are the user, but we are not utilizing those software for good thing. For example, if we talk about TikTok, we can do lots of creative work in TikTok, but people are just wasting their energy there. Just entertainment. Be informative, man. Create something valuable, value adding to the society. Maybe if you go to YouTube, what people are doing? Full time they're just watching. entertainment. They can give some value. Like you are giving some value, I'm giving some value. Kind of, You go to LinkedIn, what people are doing. Just searching job. Just create a startup, man. Start business. Government is there to support you. People are not because we don't have that mindset into this. If we can bring back that now, I think so we can really march forward in a better way.
Yeah,
That's my
you're right. Whatever you said is right. We, the Indians, are the users. We are using Facebook, and Indians have more users and more downloads are from
yeah.
India.
Hmm.
And TikTok is successful in India. That itself shows that India is more into entertainment and less into education.
Yes, education, see, you do the entertainment, for example, but you should know where is the bread and butter. Now, there is no conventional jobs are going. If today's youth, if they don't go to the automation, if a person like me, I'm a traditional school pass out. Now I
Yeah,
understand what is the value of education, and that is to digital education. Now I am going through lots of education now since last almost 1 month. I have one target. In July, I'll be taking all the digital education, and then I'll be starting giving to the people. That's my idea. If I can learn, which is probably, fading away memory, if I can learn, why not you? If you
yeah,
give in the right direction, why not? Many people, they're just simply wasting their youth. And if you don't use that a particular 10 years time, I'm telling you particular 10 years, 15 years to 25 years, this is the very crucial for anybody. If you know that 10 years, what exactly you are going to live for rest of your life, that
right.
one way, for example, somebody wants to be a doctor, what will he do? Somebody wants to be cricketer. For example, Sachin Tendulkar from age of 3 years, Virat Kohli, like age of almost 5 years. They knew they wanted to be a cricketer and they're cricketers. That's the way, my dear. You don't know what you want. We are the lost soul in the jungle. And world is very danger outside, man. If you bringing bread and butter is the biggest challenge India will have. Those individual who are like education is the backbone, but you have to bring into the automation because jobs are like wiping out from the planet. How you can stop that? You can stop that with the creative work, smart work, digital work. So through this small steps, just bring into your education system. Be anywhere you are done. Otherwise, very difficult. India is primarily agro-based economy. Understand that. Almost 60% of the revenue comes with that, and around 30% comes with the service, and hardly 10% we got manufacturing dependency. So economy it's 100%, let's say 60% agro-based. Agriculture is always dependent on monsoon. Sometimes flooding, sometimes clemenine, sometimes XYZ thing. So we cannot be deep. For services, we are also dependent. Outsourcing business like call centers, banking, telecom. We cannot be always dependent. Now manufacturing we are always dependent on other countries for our basic consumption. We have so many big if government can pay attention, all the state and the national government, we can start lots of manufacturing units. Cottage industry is very good in India. Handheld, hand, we make something with hand, that
Yeah,
is
yeah,
cottage industry.
yeah.
But it's not well marketed.
Okay.
If the government can start putting efforts there, or the people can taking initiative there, rather than going to work in America, sit in India, the lots of cottage industry, promote that through digital platform. Let the world buy that thing from India.
And you know what? There are people who studied engineering, computer science and engineering with me, who
Mhm.
studied BTech with me and went for masters for US, UK, Australia, yeah, for different countries. And I did videos with them also.
Okay.
So I thought that is outdated idea because today you can learn masters using internet, using YouTube. You can
Yes, yes.
study any subject that you wanted using. the internet. If you have an internet connection in your home, you don't need a teacher today, because
Correct.
you have multiple teachers today. In olden days, or in 5 years before, the world was not like this. We used to, if we have any doubt, I'm telling my experience. If I have any doubt, I used to go to the teacher or the faculty. I used to ask the doubt. But
Right.
today, by learning from internet, I became the teacher. I created a mobile app for myself, and I'm teaching, and 1,000, 2,000, 5,000 people are studying from my material today.
Great.
And you know what? One of my faculty called me for the material, who is teaching in that college, and they're
Okay.
still in the college only.
And
They didn't came into the digital platform. They're
yeah.
not using it. They're not using it. If people like me in very less time using internet, creating things,
Why not?
why not others? But I'm the only guy in my batch or in my college today doing a lot of videos with different country people, using the platform in the right way, and telling the experiences of great people like you to the world, so that at least they'll come out from their old mindset, old thinking way.
See, traditionally, if you see, dear, we are always traditional by our mindset. You being in any religion, any pocket size, we you are into lower class, middle class, upper class. Okay, celebrities, common man, any religion. Our mindset is like nuts. We are nuts. It's very difficult to break that nuts. Usually, yes, coconut,
Yeah,
small nuts in that.
yeah.
So to break that now, we need to have a good hammer. People have a thick ecosystem here. Okay, so
Okay.
you cannot hit soft corner. You cannot break. You need a nut. So until you don't hit the right point, it's not breakable. Now I'll give you my example why I've started learning digital. Many students used to come in. I'm basically a mass media teacher, yeah, media subjects, camera, creative writing, journalism, all these things, psychological subjects. So many people they are like creative brains, but still they are not like they're conventionally they are performing good, but digitally they are zero. And whenever just I used to ask them why you are not going to digital, and they used to tell me it's very expensive, very expensive. I say, what is expensive? Let me research. I've started researching with the big brand names, lakhs and lakhs are they are charging, man, and they're basically giving peanuts. They're not giving anything to the student. So I thought, let me just see myself what is going on. And I just came to know within just 1,000 rupees, you can learn digital marketing. Just 1,000. First, you need just two things. It's like for everybody, I'm telling you. 500 minimum you need for the material. Okay, any material you can get from website like Udemy. No? There are so many websites which provide you material. Record it and you get. Second thing, get one mentor. Very important. Do some workshop. Maybe 2, 3, 5 days workshop. Many people are now teaching online. They are the mentor. Just learn basic digital marketing that is called social media marketing. Every damn company, individual, okay, like Instagram, for example, if you go, there's an individual account, there's a company account, there's a creators account, right? If you go to YouTube, also similarly, there's so many people they don't have time to do their marketing. So if you just only learn social media marketing, your first step is done. You can enter into digital marketing. And in that digital marketing, what you can do, you have different platforms. For example, you can be a create if you are a creative person, you can do the graphical work, designing work. Okay, so you're designing. There's so many free softwares available. You can learn at home. Second, you can be a like a real marketer, social media marketing. You can do. Third, you can be a, like techno savvy. So search engine optimization, search engine marketing, you can do that one. So if you at least go for these three areas, you can do wonder. If you have social media degree with you, just hardly putting 500, 1,000, putting some effort, just talk to your friends, give me your Insta account, I will do the marketing. You can learn yourself, man. But people don't have time for this hard work. People have time for TikTok. People have time for YouTube, Facebook. So there
Yeah.
is a mechanism available right now. We are sitting on the gold mine. Indian youths are sitting on gold mine. That I want to teach. So with my, let me learn first, and I'll be starting giving free education to everybody, whoever comes. I just trying to put whatever these so-called big corporates, they're asking lakhs and lakhs rupees. It can be taught just either self-research, just you did, you're a self-made man, for example. I'm not self-made. I'm just helping. I'm getting help from others. I'm learning myself. And if you will be laughing. My teacher is 20 years old. I'm learning from him. 20 years old, sitting in Delhi, teaching me how to set up your agency, how to do social media work, how to do digital marketing. And he's my guru. I'm
Okay.
learning. No age, man. If I can do, you can do. Everybody can do it.
Yeah.
In a small amount of money, I've just started doing the things, and I've started finding different mentors. Social media marketing में Instagram I'm learning from somebody, LinkedIn I'm learning from somebody, Facebook
Yeah.
marketing I'm learning from. Now I'll be starting to implement my own learning. I'll be putting money in Instagram, putting Facebook. Let me see how these things work. So once I learn the things, I'll calculate everything, collect everything, and I'll start giving lessons. Let everybody come and it's a free sea. Get water. How much water you want? Plenty of water. So that's the idea.
And yeah, and it is very important for you to find the people who connect with your subject
Yes,
in
seriously.
social media.
Right. This is like I can teach almost you can say all the kind of we have the basic subjects. We have two types of subjects. We got a theory subject. We got a practical subject. I teach practical subject. For example, economics. I teach economics. So with what are the demand, supply, are basic things. You follow that in your life. You know how to take your life further. Budgeting, income management, expense management, operation management. These are the things basically comes into economics.
Yeah.
Second thing, like psychological subject. What is sociology, psychology, kind of. These two things. How people behave, sociology,
Yeah.
psychology, kind of. How people are there in the society. So if you know the economics, you know the sociology, you know the psychology, and you know the skill. One is you need to be like this horse. You cannot be running here and there, here and there. You need to focus one side, which we are lacking today. Just
And
focus one side.
yeah, and it took 5 years for me to understand the internet. I used to spend a lot of time on internet than with the people who are studying with me who are working in different companies. I thought that what I understood is internet is more intelligent than the people who are connected
You're
with me.
absolutely right. You're absolutely right. We are, what you say, a kind of like digitally fools. If you really
Yeah,
put our mind, we can make hell lot of money and we can generate hell lot of job opportunity. Government
yeah,
are saying like no job opportunity. Just bring your brain to the internet, man. Everything.
yeah,
But one precaution. There are lots of frauds are also there in the internet.
yeah, yeah.
Lots of
Everywhere that
frauds are
will be
also
everywhere. Not only in internet, everywhere it will be there.
everywhere. But here is more like, people like
Yeah,
what they are teaching with help, like they are charging 20,000, 50,000, 1 lakh rupees. And if you just Google it, everything is free.
free. Yeah,
They are just taking those basic ideas, they are putting into presentation and they're just giving to the people. If they a small size ticket also is 5,000, selling to the 100 people, almost 5 lakh rupees in the pocket. But
yeah,
those 100 people will not learn until they have the mentor. So
yeah.
that I'm trying to bring as many as teacher also. I'll be starting teaching to teachers also. If they
Okay.
have some particular talent with them, please come to the digital platform, show the talent to the kids. So
That's
create your own local community basically. Just I
yeah,
want to encourage people to go for the e-commerce, like all the big five tickets name, Amazon, then Flipkart, now this JioMart. Everybody, what they are doing, they are not manufacturing. They are just bringing the stuff on their platform, advertising and getting the money, man. So
okay.
individual, for example, in your hometown where you are sitting, if you find maybe 100 shopkeepers or the local manufacturer who are really creating something good, valuable, just bring to your platform, man. Just sell to
Yeah,
the world. That
yeah,
we can help them also, help the economy, help the government, help the youth. That is the like, overall idea I have. Let me see how it can be helpful. I don't
definitely. I think yeah, you came on the right track. But a lot of I did a video with my HOD, head of the department of
know.
mechanical branch. Even he said about online teaching. He was talking about online teaching, and he also realized his age is about 40. He also realized that the future is going to be internet,
Full digital, full digital.
full
Everything
digital.
is digital. That's what I'm saying. This is the one thing you can take it from today, from this thing, which I have learned in almost. This is the good thing. You know, sometimes people say coronavirus is bad. I think it's good for two reasons. That is my take. I
Yeah.
may be sarcastically
Yeah,
wrong.
coronavirus is the only thing which educated human beings and
Right.
which told the human beings that future is going to be internet because lot of people because of lockdown they started browsing, they started
Yes.
spending more time on internet, and they came to know that this is going to affect the future.
See, my intake is like there is 2G. Okay, one is God, other is Google. After God, Google. If you really want to be smart, ask for all the help, divine, and that divine power. And from the earth, just Google it. Whatever you want, everything.
But you don't have access to God, you have access to internet,
Ah,
Google.
yeah. So God is like it's a personal choice. Can't say. So, but there is some supreme power who shows
Yeah.
to a small virus can wipe out your existence. So don't be too proudy. What can do anything? Or the supreme power can do anything. So we have everybody started learning be humble. Be a
Okay.
underdeveloping country or be a developed nation like America, everybody is on the kneel now. So
Okay.
don't be overly smart. Be content, be humble, be soft, be good to each other, to the nature, to the environment. It's almost we are not doing justice to this thing. The privilege God has given us, system has given, but we are misusing. So one thing we learned that, and second thing, the power of internet, which is almost changing the world. So let me catch that bus, that train, that aeroplane. Otherwise, we will. That's
Yeah,
all.
today the professors became the movie directors. They are creating with their the knowledge they have, the concepts they have in their mind about the subjects. They are trying to show it visually. They are creating videos to show world and to tell the concepts in a easy way. They're trying to put it in easy way. I'm a writer before vlogger. Now I started a YouTube channel. Before this I was a writer, and I used to connect with people with my knowledge. I used to write about networking subject, computer networks, and computer organization, all the subjects which are connected to computer science. And I connected with a lot of people who wants computer science subjects connected with me using the social platform, and still they are connected to me, and they're asking me to tell the computer science subjects. And then I came to know that yeah, this is the right thing which I'm doing, and my knowledge is reaching more number of people. If I say this in a college or in a school, that reaches only to 60 or 70 members. But if I say on internet, it can reach 600 people or 6,000 people or 6 lakh people. If it depends on algorithm, the YouTube algorithm and the Google algorithm. If my concepts and if my explanation is good, they'll definitely promote my medium, my channel or my website, and that is what happened to me. My website and my app have 5,000 downloads today.
Okay.
5,000 downloads.
Good.
5,000 people are studying from my site. Then I thought to show my face. In the blogging, you cannot show your face. They cannot
Right.
know what exactly you're
You need to
saying.
be a vlogger for that.
Yeah, I decided because today Netflix, Amazon Prime, all these are the mediums
Mm.
which are very close to the human beings because
Very
of they
truly, truly.
because in previous days, previous years, people used to study from books, but
Mm.
today there is no book.
It's
They have
e-book, Kindle,
ebook.
and everything. Right.
Yeah, everything. The YouTube. They
Mm.
if they want to listen, they use YouTube. Listen and see visual.
Mm.
Some people wants to learn from ebooks, and like
Right.
this, every platform has its own viewers
Mm.
based on their interest. Like this, people are selecting from where they can learn. They have their own choice today. So I thought videos are working. YouTube is working. The YouTube is the have a lot of users in India, not only in India, in the world. So I thought to jump from uh, writing to speaking. So I started doing this, and then I got a thought. I already got followers. I got already uh, viewers from my for my website. Then I thought, why can't I do videos with them? Then I
That is
started
really
requesting.
very good thing. Really, the way you approach me. First, I just thought, is somebody going, is a just doing prank with me or what? But when I saw your profile, the moment I just saw your Insta page, I knew that this kid is really doing good work. So there is no prank on that. Okay. So it's a required lots of courage, to approach somebody. But if you have like a right mindset and a good approach, you can approach anybody, man. Not doing wrong thing. So that's like keep it up with your good work. I just two things I would like to add here. The future is purely the video and the audio. Now
Yes,
we don't have much time to read. If the people are like
yes,
traveling, India is
yes,
full of travel. We don't have
yeah,
time to read now. Podcast is the thing you can try for podcast also. I'm
yeah,
going to try that for postcard. The
yeah.
many
Just
people
now,
are traveling.
I made you wait for 10 or 15 minutes because I
Mm.
was talking with a woman
Okay.
who is a sports psychologist and who is from I forgot the country, Norway.
Norway.
I
Okay.
should
Norway is the country.
I don't remember. Norway is not the country. She I
African?
if she no, she's not African. She is from Western country.
Acha, acha.
Yeah,
Mm.
if she sees this video, definitely she'll kick me. She'll not give time for me to do one more video. I forgot the country.
Okay, no worries. See, always talk
So,
from your heart, man. That's the beauty of the individual. We should not pretend. If I'm good in this, I'm good. If I'm not, I'm not. What's wrong in that? You need
yeah,
to be showing your face as it is to the people, to the world. Don't change that. It's okay. I cannot be everything now. I
yeah,
can what good. So I know I have selected myself. I'm good into teaching, means coaching and consulting. That is my forte. When I used to work in corporate, when how the bankers work. Banking means you have to bring the business at any cost. It's like a cat fight. You have to bring the business. But I used to always educate customers. If you are buying a credit card, this is good, this is bad. If you're taking a FD, taking a account, overdraft, you're doing anything, any financial products, you're investing somewhere, this is good, this is bad. You have to choice. Either you go for good or bad. So like if you do your work, teach people. So the teacher was always there in me since my
okay,
like corporate time. I used to hear so many things from my boss. What you do, man? You're just losing the customer. I said, no, man. Customer. Maybe today you're losing the customer, but 20 years he will be losing his money, man. What is important? If
correct, correct.
day one you educate customer, if you are taking a home loan of 10 lakh rupees, you are going to return back 15 more lakh, almost 25 lakh rupees. So if you teach him, don't take for the loan of 25 years, just 15 years kind, just take for 5 years. Just do the calculation, educate him. He will be free in 5 years. He will remember me full of his life.
Okay,
And if I'm working for you, you'll remember till I'm bringing the business. After that, nobody know. Corporate world is a jungle. Nobody know where you stands today, where you was there for 5 years before. But if you are
yeah,
on the digital platform, world knows you in your life, in you after your death also.
yes,
So that's
exactly.
like the footprint I want to leave here. I want to really I just want to bring the good thing from world and just want to bring that to the platform. Let the people see, let people learn.
I think I'm one of the image of yours. I'm doing the same. I didn't said, you said. That's it.
Oh, that's great. But I'm
Yeah.
really impressed with you, what you are doing.
See, the TikTok, whatever that you said, people are using this and they are wasting their time.
Hmm.
And I think I'm the only guy who did videos, who started videos in English.
Okay.
And today in my state, there are a lot of channels which are in my regional language,
Okay.
and I broken that thought. I don't
Okay.
want to connect only with my people. Now I'm
Let's
talking
connect
with
the
the
world.
person. Yeah, I'm talking with the person who is not living in my state today, and I'm
That's good.
exchanging thoughts with that person. And if I know, if I'm very good in communication, so I can also connect with different country people. So I'm
Great.
doing that. I am successful. I have to, only in 2 months, I had talked about with 17 or 18 country people. That is highly
The
impossible for
big,
a.
biggest achievement I can say, really, it's the biggest achievement. And I just randomly saw your videos. The one thing is that you're just going in the flow. That is important. There's no scripted thing. Now we are talking almost half an hour. There's no script.
Correct.
We're
Yes.
just talking from heart. So
Yeah.
similarly, I'm really inspired with your work, and I'll be really putting my version, but it will be a corporate side. I really
Yeah.
want to bring corporate to the student community. That is my idea. Let take
Superb.
student to the corporate. Let corporate get the right people for the work. Why people are
Superb.
going overseas, spending their youth working for other country, man. Work
Correct.
for Mother India. Just earn for yourself, earn for family, earn for India. Get
Correct.
respect. So lots
Correct.
of things. With maybe if you're a good artist, work for Bollywood, Tollywood,
Correct.
anywhere. If you're good like creative writing, work for good advertising firm. Create
Yeah.
something in regional language. Why
Correct.
not? And you can create something for radio,
Yeah.
print, media.
Yeah. Yeah.
Since the expression is there with us, we just need to
Correct.
put to the world. And digital
Correct.
platform is the way we can
Correct.
really take India to the next level.
Right. And just now you said that I'm talking in the way that I like, and I'm talking in the way, and that also made you to come into come and talk to me. I what I understood is the only thing that works is just be yourself anywhere.
Yes, yes, absolutely, absolutely, dear. You have to just be there. Like for example, today I'm trying to bring these slum people into the digital platform. That is my vision. Everybody has some vision. As I initially I asked you where you want to go from here, I have a vision. At least what I think, if I die, at least I need at least 1 lakh people should remember. That is my vision. It means I have added value to 1 lakh people's life. Those people are earning today, or maybe their coming generation will remember somebody with the name of Professor Amir Ahmed. That's the kind of things I really want to do. Okay.
Correct.
How much I'll be successful, I don't know. But I really want to put that my effort. For that, before teaching to others, I'm trying to learn for myself. Almost I'm
Correct.
putting lots of full day. You don't know how much pain I'm just going through. Sitting in one
Okay.
place, I'm not habitual. But full
Okay.
day, I'm in the with the internet.
Okay.
Full day like morning. I just wake up, then I take my online lecture. I started with online lecture. Due to this corona, I'm thankful to God corona happened.
Okay. Okay.
I
You
find
got
the good thing
benefits.
from bad. Yes, I'm positive for that. I was just thinking since the last 1 and 2 years, one day I will do digital, one day I will do digital. But due to due to corona, opportunities like directly came into my hand. I've just grabbed that. I have started doing all my lectures in online. My other colleagues, they used to cry, yeah, I don't know how to do the lectures. I said, just Google it, man. Google Baba. Do it. And just started learning. And God grace. And now I'm teaching to other teachers also how to take lectures. I'm also learning like very talented people. They are always they are all over the places. I'm just trying to going to their webinar, their seminar, just learning whatever, because it's the ocean, big ocean. I'm just collecting whatever I can bring. I'll just try to put everything together in simple language. I'll try to put for the people. Let the poor also be a part. And especially, I really want to help two community. One is the handicapped. Handicapped community cannot travel. So I really want to help teach free of cost to the handicapped people. And second, the women empowerment. If you really educate these two people, they can take India to the next level. So my idea
Correct.
is really, I'm really very impressed with this Professor Anand Kumar. Have you seen Super 30 movie? This guy is
No, I have to.
teaching.
I have to see.
Just see to it. This is a really very inspiring movie. He's charging from rich people. He's teaching to rich kids, but also he's teaching to the poor kids who has a dream and inspiration to be IITian. But they're not getting opportunity. They're just lost somewhere in labor market, helping their family. So this guy is really every year he's teaching 30 brilliant students free of cost. And IITA education is very expensive. Almost 15 to 20 lakh rupees we have to spend. And just into 30, how much money is losing? But at least he's value adding to India. Similarly, like you are also like, so many students are learning from you. That's a new thing for me. I've not heard about it. Any blogger or vlogger teaching other students, man, how to like you be a professionals, how to earn livelihood. Many people can like, if I can teach so many people how to just simply do the social media work and just help small business community. They are really they are bleeding basically. They don't have money because all the big giants, all the corporates, they are eating smaller fish. All the sharks are roaming around. So why don't collectively all the small fish come together, make a collective big shark and do something good? So,
Actually, yeah, the people who actually you are saying that I'm doing a good job, but I feel that I'm very backward. There are a lot of people who went away from me, who was with me,
hmm,
but today they have 3 lakhs, 4 lakh subscribers. And I asked the person to do video with me, and he was telling me that we'll do on that day, someday. He's trying to postpone this, and
much.
he got 33 lakh subscribers. And and he thought that videos works, and he started YouTube. And I thought that writing works, and I started blog, and I'm very good in blog, but see, I got good knowledge writing, and I know how to communicate. Today, I'm communicating with a lot of people only because of my writing.
Hmm.
Writing made me to use perfect words, and
Right. You are
I feel,
creative, in fact. You're really
yeah,
using creative words, catchy words, headlines. That's the
correct,
main thing. You know that the creativity, since I
yeah,
teach the creative writing, I know what exactly you're saying. You're
yeah,
maybe just a snapshot of your just communication between two guys. That is also saying lots of things. You need to be
correct,
there. And one more thing I would just add here, everybody starting the race. Finishing the race is important. Who is first, who is second, who is cheering more for other people is not important. If
yeah,
you started the journey, you have to finish the journey. And
yeah,
have you seen the Olympics? People are taking the flames and they're just running around. So one person start his journey, finish his journey, then give the flame to others.
yeah,
So that's the similar thing. You can also motivate so many people. I'm just trying to be motivating the people. Before I used to motivate conventionally, just talking one to one and one to groups in the classroom. Now internet is my classroom. So I
correct,
really want to inspire many people. And as you rightly said, communication. Communication doesn't mean only English. Communication is everything. It's your body language, is your expression, your thought, what you want to. If, like, for example, if I'm thirsty, if I'm just asking you,
yeah,
I've communicated. I don't need
correct,
to say words.
correct.
Understood. So if you are communicating well, whatever is your thought, and the people are following you, your work is done, man. Follower will come. Don't worry. Everybody is ready to make a one movie, for example. If there is a small movie, on an average, there are 3 to 500 artists are there in the movie. But
Okay,
to whom we see just the main lead, second lead, directors,
correct,
dancers, musicians. Kind of we see the top 20, but there are
correct,
almost 180 people are working for to make that movie.
correct.
So everybody is important. If you remove, let's say, zero from any figure, for example, you have 100 crore rupees, remove all the zeros. What is the value?
One,
If you
yeah,
remove zero, like from 100 rupees, just remove one. Is it 100? It's
no,
99.
correct,
If you remove salt from the food, waste. If you remove
correct.
sugar from sweet, waste. If you remove thought, intelligence, psychology, person is useless. So you
I
need
think
to.
it is what I understood is with this conversation. I think it is very important. the people like you should be on internet. They should be, because I saw a lot of people in YouTube or blogging. They send wrong information. You
Okay.
know, internet also contains a lot of wrong information.
Right.
Is misleading people because of less information, because of less knowledge. People are diverting the viewers. And I think you should. It is very very important for you to come onto internet as soon as possible, so that lot of people will get benefit with your words, with your teaching, with your knowledge. I want you to be spread more faster, and I am ready to do as many as videos with you in coming
Great,
days.
great.
If I
Thank
get
you.
time,
Thank you
you
so
get
much.
them.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much for providing me this platform. And I really want to, help these small town people, basically. Please help me that also to just reach me to the maximum, remote part of the India. That is my main target. City, everybody know. Cities are like more educated people. But I really want to help two kind of people. One is the slum people. They don't have much education. Other is the remote people. If you teach two people, one person from the remote area of India became the president of India, the missile man of India, and given every nuclear power to India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, from the remote India. So if you educate right people, right person can go anywhere. That's it's my intake. So let's work together, you know, to bring the good knowledge, good thought process for the betterment. And the fame is the one thing which comes and which goes, man. The hard work what you put, the quality the happiness you spread among the people, that is important. People will put you down. People will demotivate you. How you look, how you wear, what you talk, nonsense, bullshit. Let them talk. At least you are doing something. They are doing nothing, zero. That's the difference. Somebody tell me what, Amir sir? Like, you are what? You are teaching almost in college. You have professional life and you are just doing video. And okay, man, at least I'm doing. I have a guts to sit here and do it. Do you have that? So you can tell to the people. Just be straight, man. At least I'm doing. Are you doing? Please go do and then talk. That's the thing, man. Otherwise, like
Okay.
people are always Virat Kohli. I really like him. He always say people are just chuck, 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 chuck. Don't do that, man. Action should be there, not the words. So you are a action taker. I am action taker. I hope we can inspire many people to be action taker. Let India be the action taker. Then we will be like in permanent seat of United Nations. We just talk. That's why we are just the temporary member of United Nations. We are not in G7. We are in G20. Lots of things Indian need to learn, and youth are the mechanism. If you really impart proper education, which I really feel sometimes really sad story of India. It's all money making. If you can really with your YouTube, at least if this video may be, let's say, watched by, let's say, 100 people, if one person or two-person hear us and that person think, let me do something for myself, for my family, and for my India. See, this 2 becomes 2 lakh, 2 crore, 20 crore. That's why reach. So let's do good work together, bring this positive energy for many more people's life. Do your bit, let me do my bit, and just pass our time and just one day bye bye tata, going to God. That's the way. So I'm
I
really
love
very
the
happy.
Yeah, I love the way you are conveying the messages and information that you have in your mind, and I love the way. It is very important for you to select a way with which you can connect with more number of people. I think you have the best way.
I hope so. Like, and the people like you is really inspiring me. I'm just crying today. Why not? Before I have started, internet is started almost 2000. Now we are in 2020. Almost 20 years I lost, man. I could have started in 22. 200. I
Yeah,
could have different today. But anyway, jab aap khule tab savera. Understood?
yeah, correct. Yeah,
Whenever you wake up, that is the morning. So today is the morning. Let rocks the morning.
I
That's it.
can't match you, but
You know, yeah.
I think I'm listening to a person for a long time only in this video. In all the videos, I am the speaker. They are
Okay.
the listeners. But
Uh,
today I'm the listener and you are the
I'm
speaker.
really sorry if I'm taking your much
No,
presentation.
no. People definitely who watches this video wants you to talk more and wants me to talk less. And I should talk less because you have
No, no.
better way of explaining things. And this video almost gone 55 minutes. I want to talk with you again in
Thank you so
in
much for
few days.
you know what you say. Sometime in Hindi there is a word झेलना, किसी को झेलना, समझा कभी? Bearing me. Thank you very much for bearing me and giving me a
I
platform to express myself. I was really looking forward for this. To be very honest, people called me for so many different platforms. You know, please sir, come and express yourself. You know, talk something. So mostly I'm into professional parameter, but this platform which you provided me, I really thought this is the person who is just talking his heart. Let me go and talk my heart. So officially, I'll be just I have couple of videos, but I'm not putting. You know, so whatever link you'll be giving me, I'll be starting promoting that. That's my first like a big thing. You know, big you start inning with sixer kind.
You will get. I mean, this is a sixer for sure because you are expressing yourself here today, and I'm the person who wants people who are connected with me wants to express themselves. Not they should not create something which is artificial. They should
Right.
express what exactly they are, and that is what creates effect. That is what I believe.
That's great. Thank you so much, Saeed. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. And I hope at least if some people can just follow us, you know, these people can like tomorrow they can be a leaders. We need leaders basically. We don't need followers. Almost 70 years after independence, we are just following people. Let everybody take the lead, take charge, be online, you know, just learn skills, talent, development. It's called vocational training is important than the traditional college trainings there. So everybody should learn some kind of skills, arts, and bring that skills and arts talent to the automation and bring to the digital world. Let everybody be your market. Why don't just spread yourself? Why you want to just sit in one shop, one office, rest of your life, be retire and die? Why? Live your man life.
People who watches this video who are doing that will definitely feel insulted by
No,
listening
no,
to
no.
this
I'm
video.
sorry in advance if I, you know, just giving some bullshit, but this is the fact.
Yeah,
In basically in our country we need danda. You know danda.
yeah.
जब तक डंडा मारेगा नहीं, काम होएगा नहीं. कि
And
we
you
don't
want to
need
be that
people.
danda.
No, no. I just want to talk with my words. That's it. If
Those are the
my,
danda.
that's it. That's
Words
you
are the
have to
danda.
just educate the people, guys. That's it. So if you educate people right way, people do the things. So
Okay.
thank you so much for calling me on your show. I hope it this show may let little bit change somebody's life. At least my life is going to be changed from today. That's I'm sure. Because of your platform, your opportunity, I'm sure it will be changes.
Can I put this video on YouTube?
Yeah, yeah. Anytime I ask you, na. And this all this material is yours. Okay, don't
Thank
worry.
you.
When I will call you in my show, then you talk.
Definitely. I'll definitely give my time to you. Thank
Paka,
you
paka.
for
Anytime.
giving your time to me. Yeah.
No,
Thank you.
thank you very much for inviting me. Have a wonderful day, night, and rest of your life. Enjoy the time and
Thank
be
you.
a rock star. Don't be a follower, be a leader. Okay? Chalo. God bless you. Thank you so much.
Thank
Enjoy
you.
your time. Okay?
Yeah.
I think
Yeah.
so. We got just one more minute. Let me complete that minute. So 1 hour is completed. The record break.
Okay.
Anything you
Okay.
can say? Anything you want to convey your message for my students, my followers? Any message?
Actually, you
Just
are
one
very
minute.
good in. Yeah, I think you are one of the greatest speakers uh, that I've met because I already did videos with 40 to 50 members from different parts of the world. I think this is one of the best videos, best people I met and I had talked, and I feel very glad. I love to share this video because I want to show world that there is a person who is thinking like me, who is already spent 40 years on this planet and who knows better than me. And I want to show to my audience and for your audience, you got the best teacher, you got the best guide, mentor, speaker, and you are lucky to get a person like this. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the words appreciated. See you soon. We'll have another time jamming for that, I'm sure. And personal meeting as well sometime later. Okay. Thank you so much,
Sure.
dear. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
God
Yeah,
bless you. Bye bye.
yeah. Bye.